In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about using Midjourney and Figma together. So if you're a designer, let's say you design websites, these tools together are super powerful. Now, first thing I would say, let's go onto Google and let's go to prompt base. Prompt base is going to allow us to find some amazing prompts. So let's say you're a website designer. We can go up here to website mockup. Now, let's say actually, I love this one. I always see this. Let's say we like this one. This is such a cool one. Amazing UI. We can get this prompt and it's going to generate us website design ideas like this. So we get the prompt, you pay $3.99 for it, and then you can use it unlimited times in Midjourney. So now let's say that we've used it in Midjourney and we've been given something like this. What we can do is we can go into Figma now and we can paste this image down. Now, it's worth noting that these images are not going to be Figma files of individual different things. But what you can do is you can use them as a sort of guideline, so you can then create these different parts in Figma. So you can generate this, paste it into there, and then you can go over the text and put the text in. And basically you can recreate this design in Figma. And this is just a great way of giving you inspiration and making it look good. Now, something else you can do is you could use prompt base and Midjourney to create icons and stuff like that for your websites. So this is just a quick video about how to use Midjourney and Figma together. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that you found it useful. Thank you for watching.